Hello, how's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, and I have a ticker I want to talk about. As you can see on my screen, AMC. I want to show you the daily chart, what I'm seeing, and I want to give you guys a complete reversal strategy of like a little sample of how this works. And if you stay till the end, I do have a Discord that you can join for a very small fee, and I'll give you examples of why this strat works to make you massive money. Okay, so let's get right into it. The daily candle we're at about $5 right in here, guys. 5.58. Yeah, we went down from a lot here, guys. Um, so this is looking pretty good, almost getting there. But what you want to see is the green band is your buy zone, the red band is your sell zone, and then this blue band is where the price will magnet to. I have all the setups where you can get the exact customizations of all these and what these indicators are in my trading video in my Discord. So don't worry, if you become a premium member, you will get this. But let me show you exactly how this works. So as you can see, when the price penetrates this green band, it alerts me for a buy zone, and you can start accumulating shares on the 15-minute time frame and it do exactly what you're doing on the daily. So let me show you an example. So once I get a buy zone, I use my 15-minute. This obviously isn't a buy zone because my daily's not under, and you accumulate under this band on the 15-minute to give you a better, more precise entry. See, as you can see right here, just looking at this 15-minute, it gets close to this red band and then it sells off. So it's a good day trading strat. I actually use this strat and I do spreads on SPX. I day trade SPX every day. But for my subscribers, I send out alerts like this for swing trading where you hold this for like a week or two and you make a lot of money. So, so now that we got that, now we're just waiting for this to be under the band, just like this. Now keep in mind you are going to get situations like this. And not every strat is perfect. You have to be patient, but I promise you, price will go back to the middle band, and that is where you make the big money. Price always has and always will go back to this middle band for every stock. So you can kind of see like what is like my minimum price target. Your minimum price target right now is $6.47 on AMC. When the price was down here, it shot up to the middle band and it tells us, do you want to go to this red band, which is a very big sell zone, or do you just want to kind of consolidate in here and go back to the green band? So that's where we're at. So yeah, so we had a lot of opportunities here. We were able to get in on this area right in here. We got some shares and went up. Since we had a really nice entry, I tell people look for that 15 to 20% gain and you're out and get back in right in here. And this was the big gain right here where it went from $11 to around low of $7 entry right in there. So that was a nice little gain. But yeah, as long as you're patient, you will be fine. But as you can see, the sell zones, I am going away from selling. I'm more for buying because when you short a stock, you have to do borrow fees and all that. But as you can see, if you short it right here and you made a lot of money, shorting it right in here when it gets close. One last example, the longer the wick up from this red band, the better the sell signal. So right in here, back down. You do not have to sell it at the red band, or I mean the middle band. As I can tell you, like I say, I have a general rule of thumb. Like right in here, you can take stuff out, and that's what we did, just to be safe, because then it could retest it like this, and then get the big run. But we do know if the price has not touched the middle band, like the last time it physically touched it was like right in this area. So it hasn't touched it from all the way in here, and it finally touched it. So that's how you know like it's getting juicy. So so now people want to know, well, so where is price projected to go? As of right now, it's projected to go to 6.5 on AMC. We had a big down move here. I mean, decent, 9%. But as of right now, I'm looking like the for the people who are in it, I'm sorry, but I'm looking for under $5 according to this system because the green band is at 4.96. According to my system, that is where I'm looking. And keep in mind this will fluctuate as price moves. It could go a little lower, could go higher, we don't know. But I'm looking for that. There's also other indicators that I use to make a very precise entry, so it's not just um kick and done. Like I see it under the band, I'm buying it. So that is AMC. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you see the results, like of the consistency. We know where to buy, we know when to sell, we know when to buy, we know when to sell. We have a very nice, precise entries. We know how to find those entries. We use the daily, and I had the 15-minute for the precise. Daily gives us that confirmation of say, oh, in the long term, we should get a nice move up here. 15-minute will give us those precise entries so we don't have to bag hold and feel that much emotional pain. You don't want to feel a lot of emotional pain. If you're bought the stock at $7, you're feeling a lot of emotional pain and you probably just want out of the stock. So the minute you get a little green, you're out. Whereas my team, once we know where the price can go. We know what the price can do, and we know what we're looking for. We know what kind of entries we want. We're patient, and so we can get the gains we want. So if you enjoyed this video, join the Discord. It's a small fee of less than, it's like $8 to join the premium Discord. We have a premium chat, and I will not click the real-time buy alerts, but you can see right here real-time buy alerts, and I'll give you exactly the stock I like, and then I'll give you, like I showed you on the 15-minute, I'll tell you which entries to take on each day, when to add. If it doesn't hit that entry, you don't add, and then I'll tell you when to sell. And then the setup video is in there in the premium chat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It has been helping me a lot, helped me make a lot of money, and I hope it makes you guys too. Mainly, honestly, just be more confident in your trades too, because you're developing a system and you're following it. That's the main thing. You follow a system that has an edge, and over time, just like the casinos, you're bound to make money. That is all trading. There's no perfect system. Like, casinos lose money, but over time, you want to have an edge over. You want it to have an edge, and that's what this system is. So, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Subscribe if you like to, but more importantly, I'll put the Discord where you could join that premium Discord where I personally am in, and every day I am in, where I can, tell you exactly what I'm looking at. I'll put the Discord into the YouTube chat and into the description where you can find. I'll pin it into the comments so it can be easily found. But please join in if you watched this long. I know you're serious, and I hope to see you then.